Yeah, we can go ahead.
Good to start, right? Yeah, I think we can start, Shivani. So, good evening, everyone. I'm Shali. I'm a health coach and SugarFit. I would like to first introduce Shivani, today's host for the session. So, Shivani is an MSc Gold Medalist in Food and Nutrition. She is a certified diabetes educator. She has 6+ years of experience in diabetes nutrition. She has been in various projects with multiple lifestyle concerns and other lifestyle disorders. Her clinical experience is well-rounded up with specialized nutrition and fitness, nutrition, mindfulness, and behavioral habit. And today she's enlightening us with us, secret topics and answers regarding skin health. So let's start the session today. Any queries in between, please drop that on the chat. We'll take up those queries. अगर आपको सेशन के बीच में कोई भी query हो, question हो, I request कि वो please आप chat में लिखिए. We'll try to try करेंगे जितना हो सके आपका जो query है उसमें हम answer दे सके. So yeah.
Surely,
Hi Shivani.
activity seems to be like, I think there is some connection issues. Your voice is breaking. Shivani, same for you also?
I'm able to hear, yeah. In between, sometimes it's getting hazy, but
Yeah,
yeah.
it could be. Neha, I'm sorry if my voice is breaking. अगर मेरे आवाज थोड़ा सा कट रहा है, please मुझे बोलिए. But I think now it's good, na Shivani, you can hear it.
Yeah, perfect, great, yeah.
Yeah, great. So I would like to start, Shivani, first.
Sure, thank you so much, Holly, for introducing me. And आप सब लोग इस yeah.
Okay, great. So first question, I think, Shivani, which today we need to discuss is that how does the diet impact the skin health? What
Correct.
role do nutrients play in promoting a radiant complexion? If you can enlighten her with the answer.
Sure. Absolutely correct. So actually what happens is सबसे पहले तो skin health, right? So जो भी हमारी skin है, because it is the largest part of our body, right? It's the largest organ. So सबसे पहले तो हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि right nutrition हमारी skin को breaking out से help करता है, right? So वो help करता है हमें repair करने में अंदर से. So there are crucial nutrients from a balanced diet जो हम ले सकते हैं, जैसे बहुत vitamins, minerals एंड एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स हैं जो क्या करते हैं हमारे कोलेजन फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करते हैं. अब ये वर्ड हम बहुत सुनते हैं ना, कोलेजन इज देयर, क्या है, बहुत सारे लोग बस कोलेजन ऐसे टैबलेट्स खाते रहते हैं कि ठीक है हमारी स्किन सप्पल हो जाएगी, रिपेयर हो जाएगी, पर ऐसा नहीं होता. कोलेजन एक प्रोटीन है जो 30% हमारी बॉडी में होता ही होता है. सो वो क्या करता है, हमारी बॉडी को स्ट्रेंथन आउट करता है. लेकिन न्यूट्रिशन एक ऐसी चीज है जो हमें होलिस्टिक न्यूट्रिशन देखना होता है, जो हमारी बॉडी को नेचुरली हेल्प करती है रीजेनरेशन में, ग्लो लाने में. सो सम वाइटामिन लाइक वाइटामिन ए, वाइटामिन सी, vitamin E, zinc and selenium are certain vitamins जो हमारे स्किन रिपेयरमेंट में हेल्प करते हैं. सो वो अगर हम प्रॉपर अमाउंट्स में एज पर रिक्वायर्ड लेते हैं तो दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो हमारे स्किन को बिल्ड करने में अंदर से हेल्प करता है. सो आई होप दैट आई आंसर्ड दैट क्वेश्चन राइट.
Yeah, awesome, Shivani. So I think it's clear for everyone. It's always a holistic approach that helps us to get the best result. I think for diabetes is also very important to focus on, each and every factors.
Absolutely correct.
Great. So I think the next question, Shivani, which is I think again very essential, that is with specific vitamins and as you already mentioned few of the vitamins, right? So if you can give some example, अगर कुछ example आप दे सके वो vitamin and कैसे वो maintain करती है healthy skin and हम diet में कैसे incorporate करें, because just to make them like easy, कैसे उसको हम diet में क्या क्या sources से हम include कर सकते हैं, what is the best time maybe you can tell us कि उसको हम include कर सकते हैं हमारे diet में.
करेक्ट. सो एब्सोल्युटली. सो क्या होता है, हम एज आई सेड हमारे स्किन को वी नीड द राइट बैलेंस, है ना, हमें एक बैलेंस मेंटेन करना है अपने स्किन के लिए. सो ऐसा नहीं होता कि हम एक न्यूट्रिएंट खाते जाएं और सोचे हमारा स्किन बेटर हो जाएगा. सो ऐसे मल्टीपल पैरामीटर्स हैं, मल्टीपल न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं जो हमारे स्किन को हेल्प करता है. तो हम वन बाय वन एक एक करके उसको डिस्कस करते हैं. सबसे पहले आता है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हेल्दी फैट्स. ठीक है। सो जो भी हम कहते हैं ना हमारी स्किन ग्लो नहीं कर रही, कुछ लोग कहते हैं हमें रिंकल्स आ गए, ड्राई हो रहा है, हमारी स्किन आज बहुत अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, वो क्यों होता है? अगर आपकी बॉडी में लिटिल फैट हो, एंड फैट का मतलब ये नहीं कि हम अनहेल्दी फैट की बात करें, फैट का मतलब जब हम मोनोसैचुरेटेड और पॉली अनसैचुरेटेड फैट्स के ऊपर हम ध्यान देते हैं। अब ये क्या होता है, सुनने में बहुत हैवी है, बट टू मेक इट वेरी सिंपल, बहुत सिंपल, जैसे हमारे घर के अंदर नट्स सीड्स होते हैं, ठीक है, जो लोग नॉन वेजिटेरियन है वो फिश ले सकते हैं। ये क्या करता है, ये हमारी स्किन को मॉइस्ट, फर्म और फ्लेक्सिबल करता है, राइट, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो बेटर फॉर योर हार्ट हेल्थ। सो अगर हम अपने डे में, अपना दिन जब हम शुरू करते हैं, अगर हम मॉर्निंग में 5 बादाम 2-3 अखरोट खा लें, ठीक है, सो वो क्या करेगा, वो हमारी बॉडी में इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस को भी कम करता है, बिकॉज फैट आप डालते हो बॉडी में, एंड साथ ही साथ हमारे स्किन के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है। साथ ही साथ ओमेगा 3 फैटी एसिड, वो भी एक तरीके का पॉली अनसैचुरेटेड फैट होता है, जो आपकी बॉडी अंदर से नहीं बना पाती। तो अगर हम उसको लेते हैं एक्सटर्नली मील्स के थ्रू, या बहुत लोग ओमेगा 3 फैटी एसिड की टैबलेट्स लेते हैं, है ना, सप्लीमेंट लेते हैं, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो क्या होता है, हमारी जो सेल्स हैं वो उससे स्ट्रांग होती है, तो इससे हमारी स्किन फर्म होती है ना, एंड वो ऑल्सो हेल्प करता है जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर कैंसर सेल्स हैं, उन केमिकल्स को हमारी बॉडी में स्प्रेड ना होने दे और इन्फ्लेमेशन को बॉडी में लो करे। कभी कभी हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम सुबह उठते हैं एकदम हमारा फेस स्वेल्ड होता है, राइट, या फिर एकदम ऐसे लगता है कि हमारी बॉडी में बहुत वाटर रिटेंशन है। सो इट कुड ऑल्सो बी कि हम जो मील ले रहे हैं या पूरा डे में डाइट खा रहे हैं, हमारा ओमेगा 3 लेवल्स बॉडी में कम है। सो फर्स्ट फैट्स, दैट इज क्लियर। सेकेंड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट आता है, हम सब सुनते हैं प्रोटीन, ठीक है। अब
Shivani, sorry to interrupt, but can you please also include few, English terms for that? There are few
श्योर
people who are not able to understand Hindi. So, अब जिस
श्योर,
term को थोड़ा सा English में mention कर दीजिए, just to connect the
एब्सोल्युटली,
dots actually.
sure, absolutely right. So do you want me to go back to the facts again once, or should I continue with
Yeah,
the
just tell and summarize the whole thing. What
wonderful?
are the items, yeah, that need include?
Sure, absolutely. So for fats, as I was explaining, for fats, we can use nuts, seeds, avocados, or the ones who eat non-veg, eggs, and fish are wonderful. Why? Because they always help your skin to be moist, firm, and flexible, right? And they also help you in getting better, heart health. Along with that, it's very, very important that you add some polyunsaturated fat like omega-3 fatty acids. So salmons, fish, if you're consuming, that's very good. But in case you are vegetarian, you can always think of adding omega-3 supplement in your diet, right? But in certain amounts. So always do not start eating it all of a sudden and on your own. Always get connected with your nutritionist or your doctor, right? That's very, very important. So that's about our fat, which was the first nutrient. The second nutrient that I'll talk about is protein. So दूसरा nutrient है protein, right? So protein क्या करता है? What it does is it is the building block, right? And what is it called is amino acids. So what happens is, this protein, including the collagen and keratin, right? वो हमारे skin का structure बनाता है. It helps in the building blocks. So it helps you to make the structure of the skin. And also जो amino acids होते हैं, that helps you to get rid of the old skin. तो जब हम कहते हैं कि wrinkles आ रहे हैं, झुर्रियां हो रही हैं, right? Or some people start to say my skin is sagging. At that time, if you add more protein in your diet, it helps you with getting a better, firmer structure in the body. Now, proteins, of course, for vegetarian, I would suggest, and for non-vegetarians, of course, you can always, stick on to your dals, you can stick on to your sprouts, you can stick on to, soybeans, paneer. And again, if we are non-vegetarians, chicken, fish, salmon, excellent sources, and egg as well. So those are some, protein sources, which I would suggest you to definitely include daily, because protein helps in our skin firming and skin betterment also, right? So the next vitamin, very, very important, is vitamin A. अब क्या होता है, our skin has certain layers. So the upper layer जो सबसे ऊपर होता है and the lower layer of the skin को vitamin A चाहिए होता है. And what it does is, these days all of us have seen, right, that there is a lot of global warming taking place. So हम लोगों का अभी summers है, तो summers में क्या होता है, इतना ज़्यादा sun damage हो जाता है, lot of sun damage is there. So what happens is, if our body has good vitamin A, because it's an antioxidant, it helps that it interrupts in the process of breaking down of collagen. So collagen को टूटने नहीं देता है, और वो help करता है as an antioxidant, and it helps you with the protection of that sunburn and itching of the skin. And what it does is, it helps in the oil glands of your hair follicle. So अगर हम देखें, throughout our body we have the hair follicles, right? If your hair follicles work well, it helps you to reduce down the inflammation. So vitamin A again is very important to take. Vitamin A के sources of course are your carrots, you can take tomatoes. So lots of vitamin A, and that is throughout the year that you can eat, is very very important. Next vitamin is vitamin C. अब विटामिन सी एक ऐसा है जो हम सबको हम सब लेते हैं. विटामिन सी आपके लेमन में मिलता है, आपके ऑरेंजेस में मिलता है, राइट? या फिर बहुत लोग विटामिन सी के सप्लीमेंट्स भी लेते हैं. आई वुड सजेस्ट जितना नेचुरली आप लो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि एक चीज है कि हम खा रहे हैं, वन इज दैट वी आर जस्ट ईटिंग, बट इट शुड ऑल्सो गेट अब्सॉर्ब्ड इन द बॉडी. नाउ विटामिन सी इज द बिगेस्ट एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स which helps in repairing and reforming of the skin. So that is very, very important. In fact, any person in our call or generally who knows, who have things like bleeding gums, right? Who's, whatever has happened, if you have some sores, aapko kahin cut laga and, you're not healing. So vitamin C really helps in that reformation of the skin. So vitamin C, very, very important. Next vitamin is vitamin E. Aap dekho, we can do external factor and internal factor. Internal is what we're eating. Even the beauty products or the creams that you use, they do write vitamin E enriched, creams, or vitamin E rich, sources. Very important. It's an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, usage. And what happens is with this kind of a world that we are in, क्या होता है, हम लोग हर वक्त screen के सामने, we're always in front of the screen, be it our TV, be it our phone, be it our laptops, right? What happens is the UV damage is also taking place in the skin. So vitamin E helps you, and it helps to remove the wrinkles, sagging, skin cancer, and it also helps you with the UV damage that happens due to the UV lights. So vitamin E, again, very, very important. That is something that is, very essential for us to consume. Zinc is the next, important, mineral. So what happens is that, zinc will help you to heal your skin faster. किसी को भी कहीं लगती है, किसी को भी लगता है, that my skin is getting dry. If I feel that, okay, my skin is not supple. The very, very most important part is zinc, because zinc helps your cell wall to be stable. And what it do is, it helps you in dividing your cells to regrow. So, or it also helps you with the UV damage, because what happens is the metals in your body, like your irons and copper, it acts like your antioxidants. So, jitna hum apni body mein antioxidant dalenge, our skin issues like psoriasis or eczema, itchy rashes that we get, it gets better with zinc. And again, if you see, vitamin E is, very highlighted always. But jab bhi aap, even if you look at your products that you're using, extrinsic products, they always add little zinc into that, because that helps you with the soothing of the skin. So these are certain, minerals and vitamins that we can include in our meals, which are very, very important, So this is something I would really want you all to make sure that, you're having this. And iske saath saath, hydration. So water एक ऐसी चीज है जिससे हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि okay, fat we are taking, protein we are taking, carbs we are taking, but what about water hydration? It's very, very important, because your body is 70% made out of water, and your skin really needs that water, right? So skin भी thirsty हो जाती है, that is why it gets dry. So again, water is very, very essential. About 3 liters of water daily consumption is very, very good to be taken. So these are some things that we can include, surely. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shivani. तो इसको हम थोड़ा सा summarize करते हैं, because I think कुछ English terms हमने use किए हैं जो थोड़ा सा difficult हो रहा है किसी के लिए समझना. तो अगर मैं
ठीक है.
summarize करूँ तो in simple words में कि हमें protein rich plus good fat जो हमें include करना चाहिए. उसके साथ साथ vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc and vitamin E rich जो foods है उसको लेना चाहिए. I think in today's world there are lots of face serums, right? हम सब देखते हैं कि इतना face serum है, ये लगाइए तो pigmentation ठीक हो जाएगा और skin glow करेगी. तो that is a external layer जो हम लगाते हैं. पर जब तक आप अपने internally उसको through the diet उसको नहीं consume करेंगे, और it's not a matter of कि 1 or 2 days, है ना? If I'm not wrong, कि आपको एक दो दिन नहीं, इसको it should be a part of your habit, ना? जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि diet में ये habit होना चाहिए. वही जाके एक्सटर्नल कोई क्रीम और सीरम आपको सबसे ज्यादा हेल्प कर पाएगी अगर वो आपके डाइट में इंक्लूडेड.
Absolutely correct, Shirley. That's true. बिल्कुल.
So जैसे शिवानी आपने बताया कि हाइड्रेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? तो
Correct.
अगर आप
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा हमें इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा डिटेल में बता सके कि हाउ डज हाइड्रेशन अफेक्ट राइट स्किन हेल्थ, व्हाट आर
Correct.
सम हाइड्रेशन लाइक हाइड्रेशन बूस्टिंग फूड आइटम्स जो हमें
Correct.
बेसिकली अभी समर है तो every
Yes.
city is I think experiencing a very hot time this time, right? The summer is really very high temperature. तो
Correct.
water definitely एक है ऑप्शन, but इसके अलावा और क्या क्या फूड ऑप्शंस जो आप रेकमेंड कर रही हैं फॉर दिस वेदर
Correct.
दैट वी आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग करेंटली?
करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली, बिल्कुल। सो क्या होता है, अगेन वाटर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जैसे मैंने कहा, बिकॉज ऑल योर सेल्स नीड वाटर टू ब्रीथ, है ना। अब क्या होता है, इफ वी आर डिहाइड्रेटेड तो क्या होगा, हमारे को लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज इन द सेंस ड्राइनेस ऑफ द स्किन, है ना, ये सब स्टार्ट हो जाता है। सो अगर आप रिहाइड्रेट करोगे, इफ यू रिहाइड्रेट, तो आपका स्किन बाउंस बैक करता है, सपलनेस आता है। तो जैसे अब हम सबको पता है, इट्स टू हॉट, अभी इस टाइम पे इतनी गर्मी है। सो क्या होता है, पहली बात तो डिहाइड्रेशन कैसे होती है, हाउ डज द डिहाइड्रेशन टेक प्लेस फर्स्ट। यस, ऑफ कोर्स, वेदर, आपका जो वेदर इतना हीटेड है, आप बाहर जाओगे, यू विल फील एग्जॉस्टेड, डिहाइड्रेटेड। साथ ही साथ जितनी बार हम लोग स्क्रीन पे बैठ के काम करते हैं, उससे भी हमारी बॉडी के अंदर डिहाइड्रेशन होता है। सो कुछ ऐसी सिंपल सिंपल चीजें, वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स दैट यू कैन इंक्लूड डेली लाइफस्टाइल में, जो आपके हाइड्रेशन लेवल्स को बेटर करेगा। तो सबसे पहले, ईट योर वाटर। हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम सैलेड जैसे बना सकते हैं विच आर वाटर बेस्ड। जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम लोग थिंग्स लाइक क्यूकम्बर्स, टोमेटोज, अभी गर्मी में ककड़ी आती है, वी कैन स्टार्ट ईटिंग दीज वेजिटेबल्स। एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी चीज हम करते हैं, है ना, हमने आज खाया और हम क्या, नहीं हम हाइड्रेट हो गए, या हमने आज क्या होगा, नहीं कल मेरी स्किन ग्लो करेगी, ऐसा नहीं होता, है ना। जो भी आपको ये कहता है और somebody who tells you that is wrong, because until and unless हम अपनी पूरी बॉडी को अच्छे से नरिश नहीं करेंगे, हाइड्रेशन या फिर कोई भी और चीज जिसको हम टारगेट करना चाहते हैं, वो नहीं ठीक होगा। सो पहली बात, एज शॉली से, हमें उसको एक रूटीन बनाना बहुत जरूरी है। सो हाइड्रेशन के लिए आपको मैं एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर बताती हूँ, विच इज अल्कोहल एंड कैफीन। जितना हम लोग चाय, कैफीन, कॉफी, अल्कोहल लेते हैं, 30 ml ऑफ अल्कोहल हमारी बॉडी को 2 glasses ऑफ वाटर से डिहाइड्रेट करता है, राइट। सो 30 ml अल्कोहल डिहाइड्रेट्स योर बॉडी बाय 2 glasses ऑफ वाटर। सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम अपने अल्कोहल को एंड कैफीन को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करें, स्पेशली समर्स में तो डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज क्या होता है, उतना ही डिहाइड्रेट आप हो रहे हो। कुछ ऐसी चीजें जिससे आप अपने आप को रिहाइड्रेट कर सकते हो बहुत अच्छे से। सो फर्स्ट, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, कोकोनट वाटर, वेरी गुड हाइड्रेटर, राइट। सेकेंड, यू कैन डू लेमन वाटर। सो आप सिर्फ अपने वाटर बॉटल के अंदर लेमन का स्लाइस डालो, अगेन वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर योर स्किन एंड फॉर योर गट हेल्थ ऑल्सो। सो दैट इज अगेन अ वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ हाइड्रेशन। पानी के अंदर हम लोग अपनी इन्फ्यूज ड्रिंक्स बना सकते हैं। आप ऑरेंज के स्लाइसेस कट करके वाटर में डाल दो, इट इनहेंसेस द क्वालिटी ऑफ योर वाटर। कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना, हम लोग वाटर पी रहे होते हैं, हमें लगता है बस हमारा मन नहीं करता पानी पीने का, कि सिर्फ पानी नहीं पीना। सो हम लोग अपनी स्मूदीज बना सकते हैं, राइट, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी गुड फैक्टर। आप अपने फ्रूट्स इंक्लूड करो, जो विटामिन सी रिच फ्रूट्स हैं, जितने जूसी फ्रूट्स हैं। इफ यू आर डायबिटिक, तो उसके अंदर हम विटामिन सी रिच सोर्सेज वाले फ्रूट्स खा सकते हैं, जैसे ऑरेंज है, कीवी है, बेरीज हैं। ये बहुत अच्छी हैं, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट रिच भी हैं, स्किन को भी बेटर करेगी और हाइड्रेट भी करता है बॉडी को। एंड इसके साथ साथ, ये हमारी ईटिंग थिंग्स आ गई। इसके साथ साथ अगर आपको लगता है कि आप एक ऐसे एरिया में जो बहुत ड्राई है, इफ यू आर इन अ वेरी ड्राई एरिया, आप एक ह्यूमिडिफायर अपने साथ में रख सकते हो, एंड यू कैन जस्ट ह्यूमिडिफाई द एयर। क्योंकि एयर में जितनी ह्यूमिडिटी होगी, हमारा स्किन जो होता है ना, वो ब्रीथ करता है। सो इफ योर स्किन टेक्स ह्यूमिड फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, तो आपका स्किन हमेशा सपल रहेगा। जैसे मॉनसून में हम लोग कहते हैं ना, बहुत ज्यादा स्वेट आ रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा स्वेट हो रहा है, क्योंकि तब ह्यूमिडेशन बहुत ज्यादा होता है। लेकिन अगर गर्मियों देखें, तो एयर में भी जो आपके वाटर लेवल होते हैं बहुत कम हो जाते हैं, तभी हम लोग बहुत जल्दी एग्जॉस्ट होते हैं। सो दीज आर सम फैक्टर्स जिससे आप अपना हाइड्रेशन बेटर कर सकते हो।
थैंक यू शिवानी। सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हाइड्रेट, जैसे मैंने बताया नाउ टेम्परेचर इज वेरी वेरी हाई एवरीवेयर, so
करेक्ट।
hydration is one of the important factor. That's very good. So I have another question here.
Sure.
Shivani, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear, but I think your video got now
Is
now it's fine. Yeah.
it's fine? Great. Yeah, sure.
Are there any food or dietary habits that can, aggravate the common skin issues like eczema or acne? I think acne is almost very common now.
Correct,
So
correct, correct. Right.
anything, any food or dietary habits that you can suggest for that?
बिल्कुल, absolutely, that's true, that's correct. So, surely, as we have seen in our counselings also, जब हमारे पास patients आते हैं, होता क्या है, whenever we are consuming very high fatty food, ठीक है, so one place we say कि fat is very good. On the other hand, अभी हम कह रहे हैं कि fatty food नहीं खाना, you don't need to eat fatty food. So, we don't need to confuse ourselves. जब आप, तला
Yeah.
हुआ खाना खाते हो, that is, deep fried food. For example, I have told that, okay, you have to take something that is good in fats. And हम जाते हैं, and हम butter, cheese, ये सब खाना शुरू कर देंगे, ठीक है. So what would happen? Definitely acne breakouts होगा ही होगा. The reason being, very very high fat food और carb rich food. ये क्या करते हैं, जो आपका शुगर होता है बॉडी में, वो कोलेजन को स्टिफ आउट कर देता है. It stiffens the collagen in the body. And because of that, there's no point, nothing can happen, but that one spot comes out. And then usually क्या होता है, when we have something good, जैसे हम कहते हैं कोई बहुत अच्छा event है, it's your birthday, or you have to go somewhere, those acne breakouts obviously come out because of your stress. Again, so there are some foods, yes, something like fatty foods, carb rich food, बहुत ज्यादा मीठा, sweet खाना, and dehydrating foods. ये सारी चीजें आपके acne, eczemas, common, things like feeling very exhausted, dehydrated skin. These all can lead to that. Because caffeine से क्या होता है, जैसे मैंने कहा था, caffeine आपकी body को dehydrate करता है. Not only dehydration, it also increases your hormone production. So जैसे ही आपके hormone का imbalance होगा, the moment your hormone gets imbalanced, what would happen is we will start seeing, so your skin is a very good reflector of what is happening inside your body. If there is some imbalance, your skin is going to show it. If your skin is getting dry, it is because your hydration is less. If you're getting acne breakouts, it's because maybe you're eating not healthy. So caffeine will increase the hormone production. So things like coffee, tea, cola drinks, or we have these chocolates, these will definitely increase your problems of skin. As I said, कार्बोहाइड्रेट और मीठा हम खाते तो उससे क्या होता है, इंसुलिन सिक्रीशन बढ़ती है एंड हार्मोनल एक्टिविटी चेंज होता है. सो अगेन दैट कैन लीड टू अ लॉट ऑफ स्किन इश्यूज. And again, apart from that, we have to make sure ki our hydration. So hydration is the key to skin health. Hydrate yourself, limit your carbs, limit your proteins, but at the same time, hydrate yourself and have good sources of the meals. That is very, very important.
I think you have also, pointed out the stress factor.
Yes,
That's why I have
absolutely.
another question in my mind regarding the stress. So, how do you think the stress affect the skin?
Correct. So
How
that's true.
does the stress affect the skin health, and what are the some effective strategy you can recommend to managing the stress? Because
Sure.
it's today actually you cannot say that you cannot be stress free, right? So, what are the
Correct.
strategies you can share with us so that we can
Yes.
be, managing the stress well, so that it will not affect
Yes.
our skin health?
करेक्ट. सो दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली राइट, है ना. हम किसी से भी बात करते थे, बहुत स्ट्रेस हो गया, यू आर रियली स्ट्रेस्ड अप, छोटी छोटी बातें, वी आर स्ट्रेस्ड अप, बट दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अस, है ना. सो अगर हम स्ट्रेस को नहीं हटा सकते तो हम उसको कंट्रोल करेंगे, वी आर गोइंग टू कंट्रोल दैट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज विद द स्ट्रेस, पहले हम साइंस समझते हैं, व्हाट इज द साइंस बिहाइंड द स्किन हेल्थ एंड द स्ट्रेस. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेनेवर यू आर स्ट्रेस्ड, द कॉर्टिसोल लेवल, कॉर्टिसोल क्या होता है, इट इज द स्ट्रेस हार्मोन इनसाइड द बॉडी, दैट गोज अप naturally. ठीक है, इवन इफ यू फील कि नो आई एम नॉट स्ट्रेस, बट मन के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है, यू फीलिंग समथिंग, योर कॉर्टिसोल लेवल्स इन द बॉडी विल गो अप. ठीक है. सो वंस दिस फ्लेयर्स अप, व्हाट हैपेंस इज आपके ग्लैंड्स ज्यादा ऑयल बनाना शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है, अंडर स्ट्रेस. सो दैट कैन वर्सन अप द आउटब्रेक्स. जिनको एक्ने होता है उनका एक्ने बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा, जिनको बहुत ज्यादा ड्राइनेस ऑफ द स्किन है उनका ड्राइनेस एकदम से हो जाएगा. सो स्ट्रेस कैन बी अ ट्रिगरिंग सिचुएशन फॉर द स्किन कंडीशंस, एंड वो क्या करता है, आपकी स्किन फ्लेयर अप कर देता है, राइट. सो दैट इज वन थिंग. So what happens is not only cortisol, yes, definitely cortisol is a very important factor. जैसे cortisol बढ़ा, our insulin resistance also starts to, happen. So if your insulin resistance starts to happen, आप देखोगे sugar spike कर रहा है, sugar बढ़ेगा, naturally what would happen is कि हमारा collagen stiffen out होगा, leading to lot of problems in the skin. So what we can do is, we can try options like first, meditation. Very, very important, So we can try to meditate. जब भी आपको लगे I'm in a stressful situation, try to meditate out. Now I understand, we all are in a busy life, and I can understand if I say 40 minutes you have to sit and just meditate. Nobody maybe in the office can do that, है ना. हम लोग अगर कहीं बाहर गए और हमें स्ट्रेस हो रहा है तो हम 40 मिनट्स बैठ के अपना मेडिटेशन नहीं कर पाएंगे. बट अगर हम ये अपने पार्ट ऑफ रूटीन बना लें, कि हमने मॉर्निंग में 15 मिनट्स या whenever we are stressed just 15 minutes we meditated. एंड मेडिटेशन किसी भी वे में हो सकता है. सम पीपल माइट फील कि वो साउंड सुन के मेडिटेट कर सकते हैं. कुछ लोगों के लिए देयर फेवरेट म्यूजिक कैन बी अ मेडिटेशन. For some people, watching some, series can be a meditation. So try that you calm yourself down. Second could be cold showers. Works excellent on the body. So if you take a cold shower, if you're in a place where you can go ahead and take cold shower, बहुत ही अच्छा. So आप cold showers लो, it actually calms your skin down, right? And it helps to lower down the cortisol level. And the third is aromatherapy. So aromatherapy क्या होता है? Aromatherapy is various oils which you can burn in your room, which helps you to relax. So relaxation oils like lavender oil, vanilla essential oils, बहुत easily मिल जाते हैं हमें, है ना? You can just play that, listen to your music and relax for 15 minutes. क्योंकि वो 15 minutes आपका पूरा दिन better कर देगा. But अगर आप वहाँ 15 minutes नहीं ध्यान दोगे, तो what will happen is your entire day goes for a toss. So we just want that your cortisol level, the stress levels should go down, and that will promote your better skin as well. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that is very important. तो जैसे शिवानी ने बोला कि आपके लिए relaxing और stress management कुछ भी हो सकता है. Meditation, of course, it also has other importance as well. That's why वो जरूर करते हैं. But अगर आपको कोई hobby है जो आपको at least 10-15 minutes के लिए happiness देता है, अपने routine life से थोड़ा सा break देता है, तो you should at least catch that. किसी के लिए वो गार्डनिंग हो सकता है, किसी के लिए कुछ ट्रैवलिंग हो सकता है, किसी के लिए कुछ भी और स्टोरी बुक, ये रीडिंग हो सकता है, बट यू शुड फाइंड अ वे टू रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ. In that point is irreplaceable to add in your routine to skin and overall health.
Correct.
Okay. So I think Shivani, we discussed, हमने डाइट के बारे में डिस्कस किया, हमने कुछ स्किन के बारे में स्ट्रेस के बारे में डिस्कस किया. But what
Correct.
about exercise?
Again,
What
a very
about
important factor.
right?
Correct.
Like, how does this regular exercise, do you think it's benefit the skin health? Or there are
Correct.
any specific workouts or maybe easy workouts that we can all include in our busy life to not,
Correct.
disturbing our schedule or any important thing? You can recommend
Correct.
some.
Absolutely correct. So again, exercise is a very, very important factor. First, nutrition, बहुत important होता है. Hydration, very important. Stress, again, very important. Next comes our exercise. एक्सरसाइज क्या करेगा, है ना? हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो हम कहते हैं कि नहीं, एक्सरसाइज मेरी स्किन को क्या करेगा? स्किन हैज इट्स ओन वे ऑफ डिटॉक्सिफाइंग इटसेल्फ, है ना? हम कितनी बार सुनते हैं हैविंग दिस वाटर टू डिटॉक्सिफाई, वी आर ईटिंग दिस डाइट टू डिटॉक्सिफाई. बट आवर बॉडी नेचुरली डिटॉक्सिफाइज इटसेल्फ, नेचुरली डिटॉक्सिफाई करता है ना? व्हेनेवर यू स्टार्ट वॉकिंग, whenever you start doing some exercise, we sweat. When we sweat, it is the unhealthy toxins our body removes out from the body, है ना? So what are the benefits? Let's talk about that first. कि क्या benefit मिलेगा अगर मैं exercise करूँ? So जैसे हम exercise करते हैं, your blood flow starts to get improved, which will nourish your cells. जितना healthy cell होगा उतनी firm skin होगी. So blood flow improves. Then what will happen is when the blood flow improves, तो हमारी skin sweat करना start करती है, और वो क्या करता है? Toxin remove करता है body में से. So that is very, very important. Exercise also helps your cortisol level to lower down. So stress को improve करता है, stress को reduce करेगा. Everybody can, just do very simple thing. Whenever you feel that you're stressed, even if you're in office, ठीक है, it could be maybe काम पे, time पे काम नहीं हुआ, your boss has, told you something and you're stressed. Take a minute, go down the stairs, up the stairs. That is anti-gravity exercise. What will happen is your mind starts to work in a way where your blood flow increases. So what happens is the stress improves, so stress levels goes down. Then it also helps in preventing and reversing the signs of aging. Why? जब आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो, योर मसल्स आर यूज्ड, राइट? सो हम कहते हैं ना, ओ दिस इज लाइक अ परफेक्ट समर बॉडी, हम कहते हैं बीच बॉडी. व्हाई? बिकॉज योर मसल्स आर सो गुड, योर स्किन इज सो टाइट. बिकॉज जब आप वर्क करते हो, कोलेजन प्रोडक्शन improves, राइट? एंड इट ऑल्सो गिव्स लेस स्ट्रेस ऑन द स्किन. सो दीज आर सम बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द स्किन, एक्सरसाइज ऑन स्किन. हम क्या क्या एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकते हैं? वेरी सिंपल. हम लोग कार्डियो बेस्ड एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं, लाइक वॉकिंग. वी कैन डू ब्रिस्क वॉक और रनिंग. 5-10 मिनट फ्रेंड्स के साथ या फैमिली के साथ में गॉसिप करते करते वी वॉकिंग, that is not an exercise. But if we do a brisk walk where our heart rate improves, it increases a little bit, that is what an exercise is considered. Or very simple anti-gravity exercise, going up the stairs, down the stairs. And again, resistance training. If you give 15 to 20 minutes daily for your resistance training, तो क्या होगा? जो हमारी cells में fat भरा होता है, that fat level would go away and your muscle mass will increase. That will also lead to a very healthy skin in the body. So no skin sagging, having loose skins, dryness of the skin, all these problems also gets better with these exercises. Yes, Shirley.
And that is very wonderful. So, अगर हम family members को भी, or your near ones, or your spouse, or your father or parents को आप involve कर सके, so to something improve their health as well, ना? That skin health के साथ साथ you can also take care of your overall health. So I think Shivani, we discussed about nutrition, now exercise, stress, and what about sleep? Is it important or not?
Correct,
Like,
right.
can you discuss like importance of sleep
Sure,
for
yes.
skin regeneration and also some step जिससे हम
Correct.
sleep को improve कर सके, कोई tips अगर हम दें?
Correct, बिल्कुल, yes, absolutely. So again, a very important thing, sleep is again a most important parameter. हम कहते हैं ठीक है, sleep से skin का क्या relation? ये तो समझ में आता है that when we sleep, I know my energy levels in the morning would be good. But what is the meaning of sleep with my skin? How will that matter? So very important thing is the circadian cycle. एक होता है world clock, है ना? आज अभी रात हो गई, सोना है, it's night time, we need to sleep, it's morning, we need to wake up. But along with that, एक हमारी body का अपना clock चलता है. So if you align the world clock with your circadian cycle, your body clock, lot of improvement you can see for the skin. अभी क्या होता है, one thing will not lead to कि मेरा skin ठीक हो गया. It will also lead to your energy levels getting better, your metabolic rate getting better, all the diseases getting better like high blood pressures, diabetes, all of these things get better. But what happens with the skin? Skin अपनी एक life cycle चलाता है, right? There's a life cycle of the skin. So we'll just divide it into two parts. One is your daytime and one is your nighttime. How many of us have heard these, recently हम सब Instagram scroll करते हैं, news देखते हैं, that this is my day care routine and this is my night skincare routine, right? Why do we do that? Why can't we just make it कि ठीक है night में ये कर लिया, day में ये कर लिया? Because our skin is also, working in a similar pattern. What happens is during the daytime, your skin needs highest protection because आप इतना UV rays में बाहर होते हो. So that is very, very important. So highest skin protection at that times our cells are doing because it wants to protect you from those UV radiations. And the sebum protection is the highest. जितना production आपका sebum का, sebum is the oil gland, जितना daytime में होता है, that is very high. Highest pH and lowest cell proliferation. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? Simple meaning, your cells are growing, okay? And if you are not protecting it, if you're not hydrating, this will lead to a lot of dehydration in the body. But if I do not sleep on time, I am not taking care of my night time, what will happen? Night time pe your skin repairs itself. So your DNA repairment takes place. जितना स्किन में मॉइस्चर लॉस हुआ है, जितना बैरियर रिकवरी हुआ है, your skin temperature is heated, maybe you're traveling, your skin is very heated, all of that comes to a resting state. जैसे हम लोग अपनी बॉडी को रेस्ट देते हैं, so skin also rests at night. Your DNA repairment, again, what happens is your skin strengthening, proliferation, हमारे skin cells बढ़ते हैं. So it's very important that you align your body along with the time. हम कहते हैं कि once in a while, of course, I understand it's a Saturday night, you get late, it's okay. But if 6 out of 7 days you are following a good night care routine, it's very, very important. Now, of course, extrinsic factor definitely is there, but intrinsic factor, what your body needs, is a good 6 to 8 hours of sleep and a deep sleep. So what are the things that you can do to, enhance your sleep cycle? First, you need to make sure कि 30 minutes पहले phone को side कर दो. Any UV blue light or UV light that is there, just keep it away from yourself. Why? It again, what it does, it skin में आपका UV ray देता है. And because of that, what happens is the collagen breakdown starts to take place. And because of that, dullness of the skin would happen, right? And jitna bhi, you want to, some people say that, okay, I come home and, I really want to, maybe watch TV or do it, no problem. But then give 30 minutes to yourself. Just breathe, deep breathing practices, meditation, just sleeping, thinking about your next day, preparing for yourself. That is how you get a better sleep. Things like adding chamomile tea at night, blue pea flower tea at night, enhances your sleep and enhances collagen production. So try these few things. तभी आप जब sleep को अपनी body के साथ align करोगे, you will start seeing that your skin starts glowing. कितना my 8 hour of glowing sleep. So it really helps. That is really there, and your skin actually becomes better when you're sleeping well. Yeah, surely.
Thank you, Shivani. That's a great tip, I think. So I think you can tell it's a resting period for our body. It's a repair when during sleep, right? That
Absolutely.
happens and improve the skin health as well. So
Correct.
if I summarize the whole thing, what are the lifestyle modification that you recommend everyone that is very important for skin?
Correct.
You can
Correct.
give us
So
some.
sure. So if I, just summarize it all together, है ना? So there are 5 major things that we need to do. First is our nutrition. Nutrition, when I say कि, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C will help your skin, get better. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि we just have to eat these vitamins. No. You have to have a complete balanced nutrition so that overall body gets healthy. If you're overall healthy and happy, your skin will glow itself. So you need to make sure it's a balanced diet. Your hydration levels are proper, 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Then comes, our exercise, very, very important so that your hormone production becomes better. Your skin detoxifies naturally. Fourth is again our sleeping pattern, very, very important again. And then the stress level reduction. Jitna stress level low hoga, hormonal fluctuation, cortisol levels would go down. And it will really help you, in repairing and replenishment of the skin. One more point I would like to add here is your hygiene as well. Very important. क्या होता है? Let's say we are sleeping in that bed with same pillow covers of, 7, 8 days. You can get, rashes. You can get acne. So keep on making sure that your skin or your body gets its freshness from your hygiene. So, your towels that you're using, your bed sheets that you're using, make sure they are fresh. Because क्या होता है? उससे भी आपका bacterial transformation होता है. So you can get, bacteria transformation from that. So try that you are also following your body hygiene. Very, very important along with it. Yes, Jolly.
I think that's very important. That's a part of personal hygiene that we see now.
Absolutely.
Can
Correct.
affect. Nowadays, I think the infection is very common.
Correct.
Personal hygiene is something we should take care of. Great, I think.
Absolutely.
So, Shivani, these are the tips जो हमने अभी तक discuss किया. So, I think these tips are also important for hair growth, hair health as well, along with the skin.
Correct.
Or
Correct.
is there anything
Absolutely.
specific that you can also
Absolutely.
tell us?
Correct. So, for your hair growth, again, what happens is it's a part of, your skin. Okay. Skin may you have these hair follicles. So, if your hair follicles are healthy, of course, the skin glow, takes place. Now, very important for specifically, if I talk about your hair growth, a lot of times we hear biotin khalo, biotin gummies khalo, takes, it will not help. Gummies are made out of sugars, right? You need to check what you're consuming. So, if you're taking a healthy, balanced vitamin B complex rich diet, and you're making sure of good hydration, all of these things together work together for your skin and hair health together.
Any specific
Yes.
vitamin जो आप recommend कर सके for hair health as well?
So
Like
again, hair
recommend-
killing, zinc, vitamin B, very, very important. Also, if people are, somebody is facing an issue कि, मेरे hair fall बहुत हो रहा है या hair growth नहीं हो रहा, always check on your iron levels. Very, very important. If your iron levels are low, definitely it can lead to your hair breakage or hair, getting. So again, it's very, very important. Vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D. These are very important vitamins. And along with that, zinc and iron. Again, very important to check. So these things will really help.
Yeah, I think great. I think do you have any like good tips regarding it, or if you can share us few PPTs that you made during this session that we.
So can you send us to
Yeah, everyone can also write down their queries and questions. I think I covered 2 questions regarding hair health. I got the chat. कोई और अगर सवाल है आपको कोई भी specific regarding skin health, please chat में आप लिख सकते हैं. We'll try to answer that as well. Thank you.
Let Shivani take her PPT first, and then we will take up all
Yes,
these.
yes, we'll take it.
Sure. Sure. I'll just share my screen. Let me know if can you see my screen?
Yes, Shivani.
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Okay. Great. So again, as I said, skin is very, very important, right? Skin function क्या होता है? Skin is waterproof. It helps you in protecting, and it is very adaptive. So very, very important is that, skin is the largest organ of the body. So we need to make sure that it is healthy. Again, what are the factors that can lead to, skin aging? So smoking, unhealthy diet, exposure to harmful chemicals. अब सिर्फ, lifestyle आपको help नहीं करता है. You also have to make sure that, things around you are healthy, so pollution, lack of sleep, being a lot in the sun and, not using any protections like, your sunblocks, consumption of tobacco, high temperature, all of these things lead to skin aging and skin problems. And also कुछ ऐसी medical conditions होती है, like uncontrolled diabetes, nutritional deficiencies, stress, hormonal changes, people who have PCOD, PCOS, you start seeing that the hair follicle grows, and along with that, there's a lot of sebum excretion. तो उससे क्या होता है? Acne breakout starts to happen. So how can we, make our skin healthier? As I said, there are two ways. है ना, जैसे ही कुछ होता है हम, बहुत सारी चीजें, we start making rice का कुछ mixture, start to do a lot of things, कि हम लोग इसको लगाते हैं, हम better हो जाएंगे, or maybe, we start some creams, we start some, things. Those are external factors. It's always important that you connect with your dermatologist firstly, before putting anything on your skin. क्योंकि कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं that if you're consuming or even if you're putting, they should have a positive effect on the body rather than doing any negatives, right? Internal factors, like we discussed, all the vitamins, minerals, a lot of people I've seen these days, बहुत लोग collagen के supplements ले रहे हैं. But is that actually just going in the body and getting excreted out? या फिर वो actual में body में absorb हो रहा है? That is very, very important to see. So internal and external factors, both are very, very important for your skin. Next comes your skin nutrition. So as we discussed, skin nutrition बहुत help करता है in, again, getting better skin health. So what we'll do is, as we discussed some vitamins, I will just reiterate on to कौन से sources हम ले सकते हैं vitamins में. So antioxidant vitamins, जैसे vitamin A, C and E, and zinc and selenium. These are excellent sources to help your skin. But it doesn't mean कि हमें सिर्फ यही खाना है. हमें healthy balanced nutrition diet खानी जरूरी है. It's important to have a healthy balanced nutrients. If you are not consuming right amount of protein, right amount of fiber, again, you cannot imagine your body being healthy. So, if skin healthy and body is not healthy, it's of no use, right? So, we have to make sure everything is aligned for ourselves. Carotenoids, it helps you in the damaging effect of UV rays. These, as I said, these days we are in front of the laptops, we are in front of our TVs, we are in front of, so hot weather. UV rays are all around us. So, rich carotenoid sources like apricots, sweet potatoes, spinach, these are very good healthy sources. Very important. Carotenoids will also protect from cancer and also supports your immune system function. Ab, it does not mean कि अगर मेरी skin light हो रही है मैंने बहुत सारे सिर्फ पूरे day में I just eat carrots, my skin will get fine. No. Again, a balance is very, very important. Vitamin E, what it does, it helps your cell membranes get free from the free radicals. Very important. Vitamin C, it's an antioxidant and also helps in the collagen formation. So we know that our skin's 30% of the protein in the body is collagen. So dhire with age, the collagen production reduces down. So to improve your collagen, these are very, very important factors that you can include. Vitamin A will help you in the growth and repair of the skin. So that is very, very important. But again, koi bhi cheese you are taking, as I said, we have to take it in a balanced way. If you start taking an extremity, for example, if you start taking a lot of vitamin in the body, vitamin A, let's say, that can also lead to a lot of itchy skin and a lot of intolerance. So how much and what to take, always discuss it with your doctors and with your dietitians or nutritionists. Very, very important, right? So don't randomly hear things and have it. That will not help you. Maybe your body is good in vitamin A and your body needs vitamin E. So let you and your, health coach decide it together. That's very important, right? And what are the foods that your skin will generally love? कि आप कितना भी खा लो, it is good for your skin, right? So let's go one by one. Blueberries and pomegranates, very easily available. These days, summers में बहुत सारे pomegranate अनार मिलता है. It is antioxidant, which helps you to fight free radicals in the body. Salmon, for the ones who eat fish. Again, it's a rich source of omega-3 fatty acid. It has linolenic acid, and it helps you in decreasing the dryness in the body and inflammation in the body. Very, very important. So that is important. Eggs, again, are very healthy. A lot of people, why I have specifically mentioned egg here, यहाँ मैंने क्यों mention किया है, बहुत लोगों को लगता है गर्मियों में egg नहीं खाना चाहिए. A lot of people I've, came across, but that's a myth. ऐसा नहीं है. If you're going to eat, 15, 14 eggs in a day together, तो डेफिनेटली वो तो आप कुछ भी खा लोगे, वो आपको अनहेल्दी, इट विल बी अनहेल्दी फॉर योर बॉडी. बट इफ यू कंज्यूमिंग द राइट अमाउंट व्हाट योर बॉडी नीड्स, the egg is very, very healthy and you can consume that. So egg is a source of choline, biotin and lutein. Again, they are very, very important for your skin formations. Choline क्या करता है? It makes up the fatty part of the cell membrane, which helps you in the cell functioning. क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ outer layer नहीं देखना, we just need to see only the outer layer. There are 7 different layers of the skin. So we also have to see on the inner layer what is happening inside the body. Outside, you might be looking perfect. Your that glass skin is there. But inside, maybe yours, maybe the skin layer is not good. Maybe your cells are not healthy. What will we do then? Ultimately, it will lead to a lot of, problems in the body. So choline is good. Biotin, हम बहुत सुनते हैं for your skin hair. We're taking biotin supplements. How much supplement do we need to take is individual specific. So again, discuss with your nutritionist. And along with that, lutein. It helps in the elasticity of your skin. And 2 most important macronutrients are protein, fats and oils. ये क्या करते हैं? आपका सेल रिपेयर करता है और रीजेनरेट करता है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So as we discussed, zinc is for healthy skin. It helps in wound healing. It helps in prevention of acne. So things like cauliflower, cucumber, tomato, radish, almonds, cashew, these helps in your skin formations, right? Next is, as we discussed about the, things which help in the breakout of acne, which will flare up your acne. So caffeine, carbohydrate, high sugars. A lot of people have sensitivity towards milk. कहते हैं, we drink milk and the moment we drink milk, the acne bursts out. So in that case, dairy can lead to inflammation and breaking out of acne in the body. Next is the exercise. So exercise also helps you in reducing your acne. So face yoga, again, a very, very important exercise that you can do. 5 minutes morning face yoga. It helps you in your muscles, getting replenished in the body. So it helps you in reducing the acne as your blood circulation takes place. But सिर्फ फेस योगा नहीं करनी. We just don't need to do only face yoga, because face, of course, we all can see, but the whole body is covered with skin. So with that, adding some cardio exercise, some resistance training will also help in improving your blood circulation. Distressing, lowering down the stress. It helps you in, getting better hormone balance and detoxification in the body. And as I suggest, told you, skin and circadian cycle. Your sleep and skin should be aligned. Your day versus night. The maximum good sleep, deep sleep you get at night will help you in repairment of the skin as well. And again, hygiene and skin health. So we need to stay hydrated. We need to keep on changing our pillow covers at least once a week. And always wear your sunscreen. Very, very important. This is what your dermatologist would be telling you. This is what your doctors tell you. This is what we as health coaches tell. Very, very important as a UV protection for yourself. So I just, wanted to summarize this, and we can take up any questions if there are.
I think, Shivani, this was a wonderful session, very well briefed, and you have taken all the questions so beautifully. It's very easy to understand because keeping the entire concept in a simpler way, it's very important. But I just want to take it a few things like, in diabetes, we have to understand one thing. Carbohydrate intake has to be less. Please don't exceed the limit. Always ensure that your plate is filled with a lot of fiber. Fiber gives you array of vitamins and minerals and enhances the absorption. Again, it detoxifies your skin. So that's again very important aspect. Another factor that I want to bring it up is whenever you increase the carbohydrate intake, it sensitize the body to release the insulin. When too much of insulin being released in the body, it will start accumulating on near the cell area. It will start eating up your skin. It will make your skin weak, dull, dehydrated. So very important to understand, if you're not keeping yourself hydrated, if you're not keeping your blood sugar levels under check, definitely it will increase the aging. It will make your skin more prone to infection, fungal infection, viral infection. It will increase and spread more and more, skin-related diseases and health conditions, rashes, you get blisters. These are all the signs. And that's what I started saying, from the day one, that please notice your skin tells you everything, your body tells you everything. Notice and monitor each and every sign, and I'm sure you will be all sorted. Now, there was so many people were asking the question, what is moderation? Filling your half of the plate with fiber, vegetables, and rest 1/4 with 1 bowl of katori of dal and any sort of proteins, either it is coming from fish, chicken, or you are taking the pulses. Next, 1/4 portion of the carbohydrates. If you follow the meal, my plate method, you will be all sorted. Everything will be in moderation. But the key rule, which coach is reiterating again and again in every consultation, we have to store it in our head that no, this is something with beyond this, nothing can work for your health. So please keep that factor in mind, keep these pointers in mind, and you will be all sorted. Your health conditions will be improved, and your glucose levels and the fluctuations, these roller coaster rides, it identifies and can tells you about your longevity. It tells you about your age, how gracefully you can live, the forgetfulness, what you are having, like brain fog and all. These are all signs of unhealthy body. So please release all the toxins, think about your health, and live a healthy life. Thank you so much, Shivani. I think surely, Shivani, both of you have taken the entire session so beautifully. Very well explained all the concepts. It was very important. I wanted these concepts to be, discussed because these are the most neglected points. And generally, people, they don't discuss about these aspects. I'm happy that we all have taken this up. And thank you so much for today's session. Thanks to all the audience who have joined up this session. I think we have to end this session now. And tomorrow we have the face yoga, one of the major exercise with the single goal meditation, which will help you in aligning your chakras and also your hormones. Plus, this will take care of your skin health. The face yoga enhancing. What happens? There is a gap which comes up in between your muscles and the skin. There is a gap, right? So this increases and that leads to the sagging of the skin. If you want to lift up your muscle mass, definitely exercise is one. But face yoga is very, very helpful and it's very quick. You can do it anywhere in the car. You can do it while, doing your work. So do join us tomorrow. Ronak will be taking. You're going to have a lot of fun. Thanks, Shivani. It was wonderful to have you here. Very, very delighted to have such an amazing session. And we are glad to all our audience. Thank you so much and all the very best. There is a Yoga Nidra session after this. If you want, you can continue with the same session over here.
Thanks, Neha. Thank you. Much appreciated. Thanks, Shirley. And thank you everyone for joining. Any doubts, you can reach out to us. Yeah.